So in this video, we are going to discuss a new concept in time and distance. That is, if the time is same for two cases, then how to solve those problems. So let us solve this by normal method so that we will get the feel for the trick that I am going to mention in this video. So the question given was two trains left two stations. That means there are two stations, that is station 1 and station 2, and train 1 leaving from station 2 and train 2 is leaving from train 1 is leaving from station 1 and train 2 is leaving from station 2, and with the speeds given as 84 kmph, and the second train speed was 72 kmph. So while they're traveling in the opposite directions, they will meet at some point, right? So when they met at the point, let us take it as P, then one train found travel 60 kilometers more than other. So obviously the train which is traveling with more speed will cover more distance. So train 1 traveled 60 kilometers more than train 2. Then he asked to find the distance between these two stations. So this is a required thing that we have to find in this sum. So with the normal sense, we can say that difference between the speeds was 84 minus 72, that is 12 kilometer per hour. So 60 kilometers means it will take 12 into 5. So 5 hours it will take for the trains to meet. So you can say that in 5 hours how much distance it will travel. That is its speed is 84 kmph into 5 hours. That will give 8 5s are 40, 5 4s are 20, that is 420 kilometers. And in the same 5 hours, this train will travel 72 into 5, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, that is 360 kilometers. So the total distance D means 420 kilometers plus 360 kilometers, that is 780 kilometers. So this is the normal method, and you can say that this is also a quite trick because the distance apart can be calculated simply. From this we can calculate the time that each train is traveling to meet at that point. So now the trick is, since the clue given here was a same time, t is same. Now from the basic relation, that is distance equal to speed into time, if time is constant, so to cover more distance the speed should be more. So the ratio of distance should be equal to the ratio of speed. So given speed of two trains, that is 84 km per hour is to 72 km per hour. So you can say that in which table it is cancelled. Uh, Let us cancel with 2. 2 3 is a 6. 2 6 is a 12. To 42. So 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42. So the ratio was 7 is to 6. So the ratio between the speeds is 7 is to 6, speeds ratio. So the distance ratio also will remain same. That is the trick here. As time is constant, the distance ratio is equal to the speed ratio. So the difference between these two is one part. One part is the difference, and it is given as 60 kilometers. So for 7 parts it is 7 into 60, that is 480 kilometers. For 6 parts it is 6 into 60, that is 360 kilometers. Now the total distance is 13 parts, that is 6 to 12, 13 parts, 13 into 60, or you can add these two, that is nothing but 780 kilometers. So in this way, by taking, if in the given question the time traveled by those two was same, then you can follow either of the two approaches which you feel comfortable. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one.